All right, and here is an SMC DC52 from 1997. I'm sure you immediately recognize this as a youth center fan. This was the one that was originally in the kitchen. When we first started going there, it was not mounted fully correctly to the box. I had this one in storage and thought it would be a decent one to throw up in here. The shades are ones I added, did not have shades on it when it was still a youth center. They're just kind of, there's those like kind of fluted ones, except they're more elongated than normal. It's a kind of interesting look. But yeah, from 1997, form 1997. There's low. This one I overhauled a little bit when I had taken it down because I know some of the cane inserts were missing or damaged, and one of the pull chains was kind of jammed, but got everything all fixed up. Runs pretty nice. Very clearly a youth center fan, especially with that white paint. Got a tiny bit of wobble on low. Interestingly, this is the only youth center DC52 that had its factory down rod, because all the sanctuary ones were on long down rods, which were actually just pieces of conduit, I believe. But yeah, this is, I think, was the only one that still had its factory down rod. There it is, medium. Just another classroom. Decent airflow. And high. Pretty nice runner as well. Interestingly, all the light bulbs I've been using in these church fans are actually some of the sanctuary bulbs from Youth Center as well. So they're not daylight. They're like, I think they're about like 4,000 K, so they're more like fluorescent cool white. So, all right.